Recently, the government approved the construction of the Laser Interferometer Gravitational-Wave Observatory (LIGO) project after 7 years of in-principle approval. It will be built by the Department of Atomic Energy and the Department of Science and Technology with the support of the US National Science Foundation and several national and international research institutions. LIGO-India Project. LIGO is an international network of laboratories that detect gravitational waves. The Indian LIGO would have to perpendicularly placed 4 kilometers long vacuum chambers that constitute the most sensitive interferometers in the world. It is expected to begin scientific runs from 2030. It will be located in the Hingoli district of Maharashtra. It will be the fifth node of the planned network and will bring India into a prestigious international scientific experiment.